In this video, we're going to be talking about how to apply for a First Horizon loan. So let's just get straight into the video. Well, in order to go ahead and apply for the First Horizon loan, I would recommend you to go in person to the bank and then do it. But in this video, I'm going to prep you for it. So there are a couple of documents that you need to be having ready before you go to the bank. So I'm just going to go ahead and let you know. So when it comes to personal information, make sure that your SSN is ready, your address, your date of birth, and your employment or income details. If you want business loans, then 3 years of business and personal tax returns are generally required. And if you're looking for a mortgage or a auto loan, then you need to have recent pay stubs for 30 days, tax returns, and specific vehicle property details. So that is it. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have any more queries, I would highly recommend you to go to your nearest bank. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.